दोस्तों नमस्कार, सत श्रीकाल। मैं श्रीकांत। आई एम राइट नाउ इन दिल्ली। आई केम विद प्रभात शर्मा here in Delhi, and we also have अमित मिश्रा जी है यहाँ पे, आम आदमी पार्टी पुराना वॉलंटियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, कहते हैं जुनूनी वॉलंटियर। So right now we are at the the Delhi government has migrated people who are living in slums to apartments that were constructed. This project started off little ahead of time, even before Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar took over in 2015, but the allotments were not done. Now, as soon as Aam Aadmi Party government formed, proactively the government ensured the allotments. Let me show you a few things here. Now, as you can see here, this is the area where you are seeing all the different flats that are allocated for different people from the slum dwellers. Slum dwelling community, slum yahi pe hai, and then they moved all those people to the nearby areas. You can see these apartments here. The best part of this is, you can see that the entire community is very well guarded. You can see the barbed wires that are put here, yahan pe. And inside of the community, you can see that there is a Swasthya clinic. You can see the DUSUB. DUSIB comes under the Delhi government. अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार जो है, सरकार की अंडर में आती है DUSIB में। तो DUSUB का स्वास्थ्य क्लिनिक यहीं पे है। सो द स्लम डवेलर्स की जितने भी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स, फैमिली प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी होती है, it is being taken care of in the clinic that is there. Prabhat, you can show the clinic जो है वहाँ पे। That is the स्वास्थ्य clinic that we have got. It is a guarded community, and पानी सब कुछ यहाँ पे it's all centralized. Let's move to that direction. You can see how this is well built, very well managed, and बहुत अच्छी तरीके से किया है। If you can come this way, generally the nature of the people who are living here, you can see a bunch of autos यहाँ पे है, there is another auto यहाँ पे है, there is an e-rickshaw here also. You can see the e-rickshaw. There is an e-rickshaw here.
Yes.
So that's the e-rickshaw here. And the best part of it is, there is a phenomenal park that was built by the Delhi government. You can see above, you can show it here. These are all slum dwellers है, जो बच्चे जो यहाँ पे खेल रहे हैं, they're all from the slums. They've got, look at this park. How phenomenally it is built. बहुत अच्छी तरीके से है। इस पार्क में बच्चे लोग हैं, जो लोग हैं, they're playing here. कुछ लोग खाना पका रहे हैं, they're sitting here, they're eating, they're sleeping, they're doing everything. This is the best part of the government. Agar there is, then if we have a proactive government which takes care of these sort of things. The allotment was delayed for quite a long time, and once Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar had come to power, the Port moved all these people into this area here. You can see that there is a park that is constructed here, a beautiful park. So I just wanted to tell you that until we are in Delhi, Prabhat Sharma is here and I am here. We'll try to bring out all these important details and information of what is happening on the ground. The first thing is, many people have asked us, can you take some pictures and videos of really our slum dwellers migrated and moved to these new apartments complexes that is coming out. There is a news article that is there. Many people have written under that news article that is sab fake hai, बेवकूफ की बात करते हैं, it is not true. But I wanted to tell you that this is a reality, this is the truth. इस तरह की apartments there is just on the right side of it. You can show that side of it. That is another apartment that is already built up. Allotments are pending now, but it is work in progress. That also will be happening. So thank you so much, and stay tuned. We'll get more insights of whatever the happenings are going on in Delhi as far as Aam Aadmi Party government is concerned. We'll get you all those updates as quickly as possible. Thank you.